Next up, native negotiations for Elaborate. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to bring the briefcase to the car repair shop and leave it under the truck's cabin and ensure our survival to not lose it. This you'll find at the base camp, so once we accept this, you'll need to head across to this tent here and you'll see the crate pop in right here. So zooming in, it's near the helipad of your base camp. Once we head here, pick up this briefcase and now we'll be able to take it to where we need to go. Alright, so I'm approaching the mechanics location. It's just across the street from me. All we need to do is clear the street and make our way over there. So this location here, seems like things are mostly clear. We'll make our way across to this building here, and inside of here, we should be able to find this truck, which is what we need to place it underneath. I think it's a bit early. It's 10:50 in-game in the top left, so we'll need to hang around for an in-game hour for the opportunity to start so we can place it. Yeah, so it'll be with this back truck here, just underneath. Here is where we'll be placing it as soon as the time comes. Now that it's 12:25, I came back from a nap, we should be able to head across to this truck and place it. So bam, there we go. We're now done with this part of the quest. All that's left to do is to return back and we can hand it in. Now that we're back, we can hand in the quest just like that. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.